If I mess this up, I'm essentially wasting $69. There's two types of people in the world. People who are good at everything but aren't excellent at anything. And then there's people that are excellent at one thing and that's the only thing they're excellent at. And today, I'm gonna find out which I am. Which one are you? Here's where the issue comes in. A few months ago, early January, I made a promise to myself that I was not going to cut my hair, my top hair, until I reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. But nobody says anything about the side though. Every time I go to the barber, they trim my sides. It costs $22. I don't want to pay $22. So here's what I've done. I looked up a YouTube video, how to cut your sides, and I researched some hair clippers and a hand mirror. What we're going to do today is we'll be going to pick those up and trimming my own hair. All right, let's go. Alright, so quick pit stop at Panera Bread. I went there to get some coffee. If you didn't know, right now Panera Bread is doing a special where they're giving free coffees away if you sign up for the membership. It ends around May something. So there's about half a month left of it. Use it while you can. Free coffee, free goods. Okay, back to the trip now. Alright, I'm finally home, bought everything. So, Home Products clipper right here. This costs about $41. Got a mirror so I can look at the back of my hair, you know? And this costs about $6. So total, $47. About to do my haircut now. Before I start, if I mess this up, I'm essentially wasting $69, and that's not by chance. $42, $7. The barber shop to fix my haircut would be $22. Before, I sent my results to 4 people. I sent it to Lisa, Ryan, Peter, and Royal to give me feedback on what they think it looks like. And I have to say, initially when I brought this idea up to Lisa, she was very, very against it. These answers might shock you. So Lisa, I sent it to her and she's like, yeah, not too bad. Hey, that's the win right there. How does the back look? Well, I don't know. Taking a picture from the back is pretty difficult, so I'm gonna assume it's okay. And then Ryan said, not bad. That's Foam, he do free. Foam is his cousin. And Peter, he said, doesn't look that bad honestly. Just left a few long hairs and can line up. And lastly, Royal. He said, you didn't fade it. I wasn't really trying to fade it, but then he pointed out this picture of my left side of the hair. He said, you gonna trim that down? And I was like, nah, my hair naturally stands out. So this is what my hair looks like now. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. It's not bad for an amateur.
It's not bad.
You can see. And here's the back. Yeah, I have no idea. Oh wait, I have the mirror, right? So that's gonna be the end of the video for today. Looks like I'm a jack of all trades. Jack of all trades could be considered a good thing, but who knows. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the journey with me today. It was honestly I was expecting to mess up my hair, have a bald spot, and then having to go to the barbershop so that they could fix me up. But hey, luckily that didn't happen. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace.